Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about Klavio app from our workflow apps. This tool is going to help you automate different actions directly from your workflow app in GHL for your Klavio account. And if you notice, we're talking about Klaviyo, which means that this tool is meant for subaccounts, which cannot switch to agency view. Let me show you how to get it installed within your subaccount. You come here at App Marketplace and you search for Klaviyo subaccounts. You click on it. So let's go. You come down here at Allow and Install. There is an API key required. So in order to get it, let's switch to our Klaviyo account homepage. You come here, settings, API key, create private API key. Let's name it my API key. You can say full access and we create. There you go. We have our API key. So we go on copy, we switch back to the sub account. If you notice up here, we have the smart queue. If you guys don't know how to get it's true, I've already showed you how to get the API key, but there's a guide here, a smart queue here, which is going to show you how to get that API key. So we continue, we confirm, complete installation, and we have on install. This means that the app is already installed within your Klaviyo account. Guys, it means that you're ready to execute actions directly from your workflow app into your Klaviyo account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. Our support team who's available 24/7. And once again, welcome to JT Plugin.